So you want to make money from your PDF? Well, there are several ways you can make money using PDFs. And I'm going to share with you these ways you can make money with your PDF. Would you like that? All right, let's go. You can sell digital PDF ebooks. One of the easiest ways to earn daily income from PDFs is by creating and selling your own PDF ebooks. You can write guides, tutorials, how-to books, cookbooks, planners, fitness plans, motivational books, or niche knowledge topics. It works because it's automated sales on platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, Amazon KDP, etc. Buyers download instantly and it works 24 hours, 7 days a week. Evergreen topics bring long-term passive income. Now, it's not just Gumroad and Payhip you can use. You can also use Amazon, as well as you can sell it on your own website. You can use system.io, you can use the Stand Store, you can use many different websites. You have free websites and you have websites that you can pay for that you can sell your stuff on. So go ahead, create that PDF, start making money. Create printable planners and journals. Printable PDFs are one of the highest selling digital product types. Examples include budget planners, daily, weekly planners, habit trackers, fitness logs, gratitude journals, etc. So there are many forms in which you can create your PDF and start making money. These sell extremely well on Etsy, Pinterest, and online shops. White earns daily. Once created, files sell on autopilot. Printable planners are always in demand. Low competition in micro niches. So, doing these journals is another way you can sell your PDF. So, you can create PDF journals and sell it online. Now, another way you can make money is to sell PDF templates like business, personal, and academic. Templates are people time, so they are willing to pay for them. Best-selling PDF templates include resume templates, invoice templates, business checklists, client onboarding forms, study planners, lesson planners, proposal templates. What earns daily? Professionals need ready-to-use templates. Business products sell year-round. High repeat purchase customers. Templates work because they save people time. It's a put and play, a plug in and play. The format is already there. People don't have to worry about what to do, what we're going to do, how to create. They're simple. Put in the information and let the results flow. And that's what people want. Things that's going to save them time. And that's where your PDF templates will come in and will help people to save time and get to where they want to. So another way you can make money with PDFs is to offer PDF worksheets and educational printables. Teachers, parents, students, and homeschooling families constantly buy PDF worksheets. They can include math worksheets, reading comprehension sheets, coloring pages, etc. So go ahead, man, use it for your family, use it for your workshop, use it for your business, right? And it works because education is evergreen. That is, people are always trying to learn something. Right, teachers always need new worksheets. Sets and bundles sell for higher prices. Now you can also create and sell PDF guides and tutorials. People will pay for step-by-step instructions that save time. For example, guides that sell are how to start a side hustle, beginner's guide to photography, complete travel guides, how to learn coding basics, beginner fitness guide. Right? They earn money because they are high value information, which bring high income potential. They can be sold across multiple platforms. Niche guides perform well on Pinterest and Google SEO. But these are not just the only areas where they perform well in. You print these guides or you create these PDF guides based on your skill, your talent, your knowledge, your niche, your interest, right? To help people get from where they are to where they want to get to, right? And the reason it works is because not only are you putting out this useful information, the moment they pay for it, if you're selling it, you make money from it or you make that free download, your choice. They get that information right there because they can download it right there on the computer. They can read it right there, get the information they want to move them from where they are to where they want to get to. Or they can print it off into a hard copy, right? They can print it after they download a PDF. They can print it and then now they have the information, they can read at their time, etc., carry it wherever they want, and do whatever they want, right? To get from where they're at to where they want to. So go ahead, provide this guide, man, and help those individuals get from where they're at to where they want to get to. Now, sell PDF checklists and cheat sheets. People love simple, quick, done for you checklists. For example, a moving checklist, packing checklist, business startup checklist, social media content checklist, SEO cheat sheets. And it earns because it's easy to create, high conversion rates, perfect for impulse purchases, right? Because people see these things and they like it and they just get up and they say, oh, let me get it, right? And then because it's PDF, it's not usually not priced out of range, so it's very easy for them to realize and rationalize that, okay, yeah, I can afford this as well as I need it. So you can make it free, or you can, in this case we're talking about making money, so you charge for it, right? And then you can have multiple downloads based on the interest and the price point. Now you can turn the PDFs into monthly membership content. Instead of selling individual PDFs, turn your creations into a subscription. You can offer monthly planner packs, monthly journaling prompts, business templates, teacher resources, home organizations, right? And they make money because the recurring revenue, stable daily income, members pay every month, PDFs require minimal maintenance. So what this subscription model does is that instead of selling once, you're selling monthly. And then each month you're continuing to provide value that people want. They want to know, okay, what do I do now this month? What do I do now this month? Or is it motivational? You want people to continue to drive and continue to want to achieve whatever they want to achieve, right? And then when it comes on to like those planners, those guides for like schools and teachers, not all the time they can brainstorm all that is needed. So if you can provide that support for them, or even businesses, what do they need to look out for? What is it that they need to check for each month, etc.? And you have that expertise, share it and make the subscription. They like to pay, so that way it helps make their life, their job easier, right? Even cooking, every month they have to come up with ideas, with recipes, etc. What if you can be there for them? What if they want to be vegetarian, but they don't have all these ideas of how to be a vegetarian, what to do with what they have in the kitchen, etc. Help them, guide them on a monthly basis at a fee, subscription fee. So go ahead, man, use the PDF, create a subscription system, and guide people, help people on a monthly basis to get from where they are to where they want to. License your PDFs to other businesses. Businesses often buy bulk rights or commercial licenses to use your PDFs for their employees or clients. You can license training manuals, checklists, standard operating procedures, safety guidelines, client worksheets, etc. Now you make money because big payouts from one client, evergreen corporate demand, no extra work once created. So businesses always need, especially in regulated industries, they always need guide, right? And if you can provide that and they can just pay and get it and get to where they want to get to, provide it because they need it. It's not optional, and especially in industries that are regulated. It is not optional to follow the rules. You have to, otherwise you're going to pay a lot more than the PDF. So provide this service, man. Help these businesses get to where they want to. Help them to understand standard operational procedures, what to do, how to do it. That way they don't have to be figuring it out and worse, making very costly mistakes, especially when you have already been there, you have already done it, you have the experience. Share it. Now another way you can make money from your PDF is lead magnets and monetize the funnel. PDFs can be powerful lead magnets that grow your email list. Once people download your free PDF, you can earn daily through email marketing, automated sales funnels, affiliate links, upsell offers. For example, you can have a lead magnet that is a free checklist, mini eBooks, strategy guides, templates. It works because automated email sequences can convert every day, right, for 24 hours. And your free PDF triggers ongoing sales. It builds a loyal audience that buys repeatedly. Now, using PDF as a lead magnet is not new. Many people do it. Why? Because it's free. People go in, they get the information, and worse, if they like the information, usually they want more. And it is that more from which you make sales. So go ahead, create your free PDF, use it as a lead magnet, and start making that money. Now, another way you can make money with your PDF is sell PDF coloring books and creative printables. Right? Adult and children's coloring books are huge sellers. Right? Mandala coloring pages, kids activity books, mindfulness coloring sheets, etc. It earns because large evergreen market, low competition compared to other niches, and buyers purchase multiple sets. Now, these things work. It works for motivation, it works for therapy, it works for whatever you want. Keeping the kids busy, encouraging the kids. It aids with behavioral control, etc. So if you can create these mandalas, these coloring books, etc., to help people get to where they want to, do it. Do it. Because at the end of the day, you are helping people to get to where they want, even just for fun and entertainment. People need to relax. The world is very stressful now, and it's going to get worse. So if you can help people to relax and keep calm and get to where they want to, go ahead, help them. I am Leroy A. Brown from leroyabrown.ca, and thanks for joining me.